Introduction: Python is a popular programming language due to its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Python can be used to create a variety of applications, including web applications, data analysis scripts, and games. The goal is to provide Python project ideas for better understanding and skill enhancement. Ideas for Python projects. Web scraping application. Utilize libraries like Beautiful Soup and Scrappy to scrape data from websites and store it in a preferred format. Desktop GUI. Use tkinter library to create desktop GUI applications like a simple calculator, a to-do list, or a text editor. Data visualization tool. Employ libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn to create a project that presents a data set in a visually appealing and understandable way. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Ignoring Pythonic conventions. Follow Python's conventions for more readable and efficient code. Not using virtual environments. Use tools like Venv or Pypenv to create isolated spaces for project dependencies to avoid conflicts. Not handling exceptions. Use try-except blocks to catch and handle exceptions gracefully and prevent unexpected program crashes. Tips and tricks. Use list comprehensions. They provide a concise and readable way to create lists and can replace multi-line for loops. Use built-in functions. Python has many built-in functions that can make your code more efficient. Always check for a built-in solution before writing your own. Keep learning. Python has many libraries and frameworks. Be open to learning new tools and techniques to improve your Python skills. Conclusion: Python projects are a great way to apply and enhance your Python skills. Avoid common pitfalls, follow Pythonic conventions, and continue learning for improvement. Happy coding!